Hello, welcome all. Today we are going to solve some numerical based on uniform circular motion. So let's start doing this. So let's start with the first question. Here the question goes like this. A cyclist goes around a circular track once every 2 minutes. If the radius of the circular track is 105 meters, calculate his speed. So let's try. So a cyclist goes on a circular track once in every 2 minutes. Suppose circular track है ये और the cyclist is here at point A and it goes around this circular track once in every 2 minutes. 2 मिनट लगते हैं उसको पूरा ट्रैक को कवर करने में. फाइन. एंड द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कुलर ट्रैक इज गिवन एज 105 मीटर. तो हमें रेडियस कितना दिया हुआ है? सपोज द सेंटर इज O, तो हमें रेडियस कितना दिया हुआ है? 105 मीटर. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड हिज स्पीड. Means if the cyclist starts from point A and again come back to point A, it takes 2 minutes and the radius of the circular track is 105. So we have to find its speed. So let's find out. Very easy. Given, हमें यहाँ पे क्या given है? That radius of the track, that is R equals to 105 meter. Time taken to complete one revolution, of course, is 2 minutes. That means अगर हम इसको seconds में convert कर दें तो 2 into 60, that is 120 seconds. So we have to find speed. Therefore, we know speed is distance upon time. तो यहाँ पे कितना distance लगा? That is 2 pi r. In uniform circular motion, we know speed is 2 pi r by time t. Fine. In the last class we have read that in a uniform circular motion, the speed or the velocity can be calculated as the distance, that is 2 pi r, that is the circumference of the circular circle, and the time taken. Here 2, it is given that pi have to taken as 22 by 7. R is 105. No need to convert it. By time is 120. Or we can write down as 2 into 22 into 105 divided by 7 into 120. Right? Very easy. So अगर हम इसको काटे 22 11 by 60 और 1 into 30. So if we calculate, this goes like this: 11 into 105 by 7 into 30. Calculate करने के बाद we get it as 5.5 meter per second. Fine. So here the speed of that cyclist is 5.5 meter per second. I hope you understand. Let's move on to the next question. So the next question goes like this. An ant is traveling in a circle of radius 21 meter with speed of 11 meter per second. Means an ant is moving in a circle of radius 21 meter. Okay, that is the radius, center is O and the ant is here. With a speed of 11 meter per second. वो 11 meter per second की speed से जा रही है. Its motion is a uniform circular motion. Its uniform circular motion means at every point its speed remains constant. Find the time taken to cover half a round. Means we have to find the time taken to complete a half a round. That is this point B. Means half circle तक पहुंचने के लिए उसको कितना time लग गया. Very easy. Let's start. Here radius is given as radius of circle is given as R equals to 21 meter. Fine. And the speed is given as 11 meter per second. So in uniform circular motion we know speed is distance upon time. So time is distance by speed. Here distance is pi r, because if we have taken the full circle, if the ant has taken a full circle or completed the one circle circumference, sorry, if the ant has covered the full circular path, then the distance will be 2 pi r, but it has covered only half distance, so distance will be pi r, and the speed is given as 11 meter per second. So what is pi? Here it is given 22 by 7. R is 21 meter by 11. So it goes like this. 2. So it is 6 seconds. How much? The time taken by the ant to cover half a circle is 6 seconds. So hope you all got this. Let's move on to the next question. So the question goes like this. An artificial satellite is moving in a circular orbit of radius 42,250 km. Calculate its speed if it takes 24 hours to revolve around the sun. We have already told you that in a uniform circular motion, it is also an example that the satellite revolving around sun is also a uniform circular motion. So, मान लीजिए अर्थ है and the satellite is revolving around earth in a circular orbit. This is the satellite. Okay, this is a satellite revolving around earth in a circular orbit. The radius is given as, this is the radius, is given as 4,250. Okay, this is the radius. So we have to find its speed. Here radius of the circular orbit r is given as 42,250 किलोमीटर. किलोमीटर इसलिए क्योंकि ये दिस इज एन मैक्रो ऑब्जेक्ट, ऑब्वियसली बहुत बड़ा है, तो हम इसे किलोमीटर में ही सॉल्व करेंगे. एंड द टाइम टेकन for one revolution is 24 hours. So let it be in 24 hours. Okay, 24 hours. So here, therefore, we know speed is 2 pi r by t. Fine. 2 pi r by t. That means 2. We can take pi as 22 by 7 into r as 42,250. Sorry, 42,250. Right? And the time taken is 24. So solving this 1 and this goes as 12, 11, 6. So 11 into 4250 to 7 into 6. After solving, we will get as speed equals to 11,065.4 किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो इतने की स्पीड में द सैटेलाइट रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड अर्थ 11,065.4 kilometer per hour. That's all for today. I hope you all understand all the questions. For any comments or queries, please put it in the comment box. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, Expert Learning Academy. Thank you.